Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for viewing once again. Today I'll be doing a repair on my 2017 Elantra. As I posted before, I have a coolant leak on the cooler lines. I will be doing a drain and fill on the radiator as well. As you can see from the top view where the problem is, it's just getting crusted over. Now to get access to this, I need to remove the underbody covering. And it's has a lot of fasteners and 10 millimeter fasteners as well. Fasteners are just those push-on type clips. Just be careful. I was missing some. I didn't even realize they just fell out. But 10 millimeter fasteners, do be careful because these can snap the heads off if you're not careful, if you're using an impact wrench, because they are rusty. Now here's a better view from the underside where the problem is on that transcooler line. As you can see, it's been leaking for a while and just getting hard and crusting over. So in need of repair. So this is the original OEM part I got from Hyundai. I'm just test fitting to make sure it's the correct. And there, as you can see, is the valve to open the radiator so it can drain. Now just remove those clips where the hose fastens onto the pipe. Now, as you can see, I'm twisting the hose, but the whole hose is moving as well because Hyundai uses that coating on their pipes, which gets delaminated and comes apart. So it's not really holding onto the pipe anymore; it's holding onto the coating. Now, this is not a good. It's good to keep it from corroding, but they should have stopped it where the hose connects to. As you can see, I can twist the whole thing. So there's no clamping pressure applied there. Like any hose that's been on for a while, you're going to need to finesse it and make sure it comes out without breaking anything, especially bending the pipe. So if you take your time with this, it'll come off. As you can see now, the coating, I'm flicking it back with my finger. That was what was leaking under the hose. So it's just totally gone. I'm just peeling it backwards. So I peeled everything back to the pipe itself. So when I connect the hose, it'll be straight onto the pipe, not onto that coating. And just a tidbit, Hyundai has these parts in stock because they know it's a failure point. If they didn't have it in stock, then you know it's not a common failure. So what I'm going to do also is just flush the reservoir tank. I'm just taking the hose and then detaching it from the clips on the side. And I'm just going to let it run through. It's pretty easy. Just take it out, put something in so it doesn't all leak all over the place. And then when it goes to the bottom, just drop it into the bucket and let it empty out. Now I'm going to flush it as well with just some outside water, just to clean the reservoir if there's any sediments at the bottom. And let that all flow through. Now I did get the concentrated coolant, so I will have to mix it. I am mixing it with distilled water, 50-50 mix. So I'm just gonna put everything into a bucket and give it a good mix so that I can put it back in. You can buy the pre-mix, but I prefer to use the original. I always use OEM parts if I can.
Have to raise it a little bit.
So I'm going to fill the reservoir tank first. Just to get that out of the way. These spill-proof coolant I guess coolant accessory tool. It's really handy. So once again, fill it up, start the car, let the air bubbles come out. Put the heater on high, the fan on high. I actually let the fans cycle twice before I plugged it and capped it off to make sure every single air bubble I can get out. It did take a while to make the fan come on, and then after that one time I did it a second time. So just to ensure all the air bubbles and nothing is trapped inside. And once I cycled it through, I just checked underneath to make sure there's no leaks and see what was what. Well guys, hope this helps someone in need of this repair. Thanks for viewing, and we'll see you on the next one.